If I could describe this next property in 2 words, they would be absolutely perfect. Shadow Wild is a complex of beautiful historical pioneer cabins on 164 acres in Indian Hills, Colorado, which is just outside of Denver. This property is being marketed by Good Mountain Real Estate, and the agent, Linder-Jesse, who is in charge of this property, has put together a video describing the history of Shadow Wild that I was going to try to top, but I just don't think I could do it because she did such a miraculous job. And by the way, kudos to Katie for doing that. I wish every agent would put the time and heart into their listings that she has. And I've included everything you'll need to access that video in the information under this video. I mean, this is a place where time absolutely stands still. If you could fly into this property, you would feel as if you just stepped out of modern society and into a much simpler time. There are 3 historical cabins here, a historic lean-to and tack shed, and a modern historical home built in 2002. So if you prefer to live in a modern way and occasionally go off into the 1800s, you have the option to do that too. And it's just 25 minutes to Denver. So this is the best of both worlds. You can be in the city and you can escape city life and be in a complete other world. Look at how quaint and beautiful this property is. I love that kitchen. I love that historical oven. I love the simplicity and rustic nature of all of the materials. Those hand-hewn beamed log ceilings and that porch overlooking acres and acres and acres of gorgeous nature. I would not change a thing about this property. It is perfect in its simplicity, and it is exactly where I would go to escape it all. And if you love the contents of the building, get this, the seller is actually willing to negotiate the sale of the contents of the 1880s cabin with the sale of the property. And this is a tradition that has been carried on from all the previous owners back to 1937, who have also passed along all of the treasures inside the house. So not only is this original architecture, the contents inside the house also date all the way back with the building's history. This is a truly special property. I am so grateful to Good Mountain Real Estate for giving me a place to dream about as I have Shadow Wild. Thank you, Katie Linder-Jesse. Thank you for sending this property our way. If you love this property, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and check out CIRCAOldHouses.com for more beautiful historical homes for sale all across the country.